In this video, I will show you how to make a second account on Character AI. So for that, simply open up your Character AI. From here, click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Here, click on the setting gear. After that, simply scroll till the end. Here you will find a logout button. Simply click on it. After that, to make a second account, if you had first chosen continue with Google, make sure to choose either Apple or email. And in the past, if you had chosen Apple or email, then choose the others. So previously I had logged in with Google, so I will simply click on continue with email. Here simply type out your email, click on join. After that, it might ask you about your password and then your date of birth. Simply put those informations in and then a second account will be created on Character AI. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.